months old. Her date of birth is 3/17/93. She is 2 feet 7 inches tall. That's what I said, wasn't it?
2, you said 3.
Oh, I'm sorry. 2/17/93 is her date of birth. Today's date is August 13th, 1994. Maria?
She talking to you. She talking.
Maria, wave hi.
Say hi. Move, Travis.
Maria, can you say hi for the picture?
Say bye-bye.
Can you wave hi?
Say something. Say hi to the lady. Say hi.
Wave hi.
Go say hi for me. Say hi.
Maria, can you dance for me? Can you show me how you dance? Huh? Can you stick your tongue out at me? Maria.
Look at her, Maria.
Maria, can you...
Say hi. Say hi.
Can you do that? Can you do that?
Yeah.
Come on. Smile for me.
Sing it out of the cross. Sing it. You like to sing that song. Sing it out of the cross. 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 Raise your hand. Say hi.
Come on, wave hi. Where's Mommy at, Maria? Where's Mommy? Yeah?
Mommy said hi, okay? Say
Where's
hi.
your brother? Hi.
Which Travis? Say that with Travis. No, come here, come here. Say bye-bye.
Wave bye-bye.
She said bye-bye.
See ya.